Hi, my name is Tamara Anis and I'm super excited to welcome you at the course Expanded Consciousness Making an Abstract Intuitive Painting. So in the next hour together we are going to make an abstract painting and I'm going to show you exactly how from beginning to start. So at the moment you get to it, you know exactly what to do it and you're feeling free and hopefully super excited to start your own painting too. So what are we going to do in this course, right? First of all, I'm going to share a little bit about you, about your intentions, right? Why are we making an abstract intuitive painting and what is it, right? We're going to speak about creative flow, about inspiration, about finding your style and actually feeling comfortable, creating the art that comes really from the inside of you, right? Second of all, we're going to speak about materials, right? What do you use? Where do you go? Where you get all the materials? And last, I'm going to take you through the whole process so that you can see exactly from the beginning to the end how it goes, and in the end feel confident enough to make the painting yourself, right? Otherwise, I would like to share a little bit with you about who am I, right? What is my story and where did it all started? So I've done a lot of things in my life, but the one thing I always wanted to do when I was a little child was actually become a painter. So I created a lot of different things. I was always busy creating. And then at some point, I think it was around the age of 11, 12, I got like swept away by life. Studied economics, studied business, went working in the video game industry and kind of forgot about my creative part and my creative arts all along. Basically, maybe I didn't forget. I got really insecure, right? I always thought, like, do you know what? I just want to work with creatives and be around creative people, but like, who am I to be the creative person, right? Those creative people are like really talented, really exceptional people, and that's definitely not me. So I moved on and worked into business. Later on, I went to study documentary photography on Art Academy. Super dream, right? Finally, I could go into arts and be at an art academy. But I studied documentary photography, which was awesome. I learned a lot, yet it wasn't the painting itself. So through my career later on, at some point, right, passion came back, right? You can never ever fully quit on passion on anything that comes from the inside out. And the painting came back. And at some point, someday, I simply woke up and I thought, like, I really want to paint. I remembered how it was to create when I was a young girl. And this time, I was strong enough and confident enough to go for it, to not be busy with other people's opinions, to not care about, am I good enough, am I not good enough? Because at that moment, it really didn't matter anymore. What mattered was me being able to create. And it is the same energy and the same passion I want to share with you in this course so that at the end, you will be just as excited about this as I am. So let's go.